Your search for the perfect heaven in the city of Nottingham ends here. Introducing Goldsmith Court, a stay par excellence, which is sure to redefine your perception of high living. Nestled in Chaucer St, this stunning abode offers a range of en-suites, one-bedroom flats, and studios to choose from, all of which come tailored according to one's preferences. Each room here features a plush bed, a flat-screen TV, and a spacious wardrobe, and comes complete with a private bathroom, taking your stay to the zenith of convenience. But wait, there's more. Seamlessly stream your favorite with high-speed Wi-Fi and unwind at the stunning terrace after a tiring day at the university. Also say goodbye to daily hassles with the in-house laundry and enjoy social events throughout the year. And when it's time to unleash the academic hero within, Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University are both a short stroll away. With various shops, pubs, and restaurants located right in the neighborhood, you're literally in the middle of all the action. On weekends, enjoy a sundowner at Pit and Pendulum at Tap and Tumbler, or spend a day at the City of Caves, Nottingham Castle, or the National Justice Museum to have an unforgettable day with pals. Also, a short walk brings you to various bus stops, tram stops, and train stations, saving you both time and money. So does it seem like the ideal deal to you? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com and book your stay today at Goldsmith Court, your ticket to the best possible life in Nottingham.